Yes, well, that may be the proximal cause.
It's a biological impossibility, and you didn't have to come.
Oh, right. Yes, I could have stayed behind to watch Wolowitz try to hit on Penny in Russian, Arabic, and Farsi. Why can't she get her own TV?
Well, I think it would, because you'd have the kind of, the posher parents would be putting
charges against Ashley can possibly affect the rest of her life.
A lot of it in that 4-year cycle, right? There's been a lot of improvements.
Residents because of things that you said